Hi learners. Welcome back to our channel English Improvement Hub. Today, I have a special story for you. It is called My Family. This is an easy English story for beginners. So, let's begin. My family is very important to me. They love me very much, and I love them too. We live together in a warm and happy home. Every day, we share good moments and support each other. My family helps me in everything I do, and they teach me many things. When I feel sad or scared, my family is always there to make me feel better. I feel safe and loved when I am with them. I cannot imagine my life without my family. They are the best part of my life. In my family, there are many people who I love and who love me. My family is big, and every person is special to me. There are my parents, my brothers and sisters, my grandparents, my aunts and uncles, and my cousins. Every person in my family has their own personality, and we all take care of each other. We share good times, laugh together, and even help each other when things are not easy. I feel very lucky to have such a big and loving family. My parents are the most important people in my life. My father works hard every day to take care of our family. He is strong, kind, and always helps me when I need advice. My father teaches me many things, like how to be a good person and how to take responsibility. He is always there when I need him, and I respect him a lot. My mother is very caring. She makes our home a happy place. My mother cooks delicious meals, helps me with my schoolwork, and always listens to me when I need to talk. She is gentle and loves us all very much. My mother takes care of me when I am sick and makes me feel better. My parents work together to make sure that we are all happy and safe. I am very lucky to have brothers and sisters. They are my best friends. We spend a lot of time together. We play games, watch cartoons, and talk about everything. Sometimes, we argue, but we always forgive each other. We learn to say, sorry, and move on. My older sibling helps me with my homework. They give me good advice and make me feel better when I am worried. My younger sibling is very playful. They make me laugh every day with funny jokes. We share toys and books and always help each other when needed. I love my siblings because they make life more fun, and we are always there for each other. My grandparents are very special to me. They are much older than my parents and have lived many years. They have many stories to tell about the past. My grandmother is an amazing cook. She makes the most delicious food, especially during special occasions. My grandmother also tells us stories before bed. I love listening to her stories. My grandfather is very wise. He takes me for walks and talks to me about his life. He tells me about the old days, when he was a child. My grandfather teaches me important lessons, like how to be kind and respectful to everyone. I love spending time with my grandparents because they make me feel special and loved. My aunts and uncles are also very important in my family. They are my parents' brothers and sisters. They visit us often, and when they come, they bring happiness and fun. My aunts are kind and caring. They help me with my homework and tell me funny stories. My uncles are very funny and full of energy. They play games with us and make everyone laugh. I enjoy spending time with my aunts and uncles because they are always happy and make our family gatherings so much fun. My cousins are like my best friends. We are not siblings, but we act like brothers and sisters. We love to play together. When we meet, we have so much fun. We play games, watch cartoons, and tell stories. Sometimes, we even have sleepovers at each other's houses. We share our secrets and laugh a lot. My cousins are always there for me when I need someone to talk to or when I need help. They make my life more fun and exciting, and I am so happy that they are part of my family. Spending time with my family is my favorite thing to do. We always find fun things to do together. Sometimes, we go to the park for a picnic. We bring our food, play games, and enjoy the fresh air. Other times, we watch movies at home. We make popcorn and sit together on the couch. We talk about our day and laugh at funny parts of the movie. We also love going to the beach. There, we play in the sand, build sandcastles, and swim in the sea. At night, after a fun day, we sit together, talk, and enjoy each other's company. Family time is the best time because it makes me feel happy and loved. Eating together is a very special part of our day. Every meal is a chance for us to talk and be together. My mother cooks delicious meals, and we all sit together at the table. We talk about what happened during the day, share funny stories, and enjoy the food. Sometimes, my father tells us interesting things. My siblings and I listen carefully and ask questions. Eating together makes us feel closer. It's a time for love, laughter, and sharing, and I always look forward to our family meals. Holidays are a time when we come together to celebrate and have fun. We celebrate different holidays like Christmas, New Year, and birthdays. During the holidays, we decorate our house with lights and beautiful things. We wear nice clothes and cook special food. We visit family and friends, give gifts, and take lots of pictures. We also play games, sing songs, and dance. Holidays make us feel happy and bring us closer. I always enjoy these times because we get to spend extra time with our family and share love and happiness. Every family has special traditions. My family has many traditions that make our time together even more special. Every Sunday, we have a big family meal. We sit together at the table, eat delicious food, and talk about our week. On birthdays, we celebrate with cake and presents. We sing songs and enjoy each other's company. During holidays, we visit our relatives and spend time with them. We also follow our own small traditions, like watching a movie together or playing board games. These traditions remind us how much we love each other and make our family bond stronger. In my family, we always help each other. When I need help with my homework, my father or older sibling helps me. When I feel sick, my mother takes care of me and makes me feel better. My siblings also help me with small things, like cleaning up or organizing my things. I also help my family. I clean my room, help my mother in the kitchen, and do little chores around the house. Helping each other makes our family strong. It shows how much we care for one another and makes us closer. I love my family because they love me with all their hearts. They always take care of me, help me when I need it, and cheer me up when I feel sad. They teach me good lessons and show me how to be kind and respectful. My family supports me no matter what. When I am happy, they celebrate with me. When I am sad, they comfort me. My family makes my life better every day, and I am thankful for them. They are my biggest strength, and I love them very much. One of my favorite memories with my family is when we went on a picnic last summer. We packed our favorite food, like sandwiches and fruit, and went to a beautiful park. We played games, ran around, and enjoyed the sunshine. My father took many pictures to remember the day. We laughed a lot and had a wonderful time. It was a perfect day, and I will always remember how happy and loved I felt that day. My family is the most important part of my life. They love me, take care of me, and make me feel safe and happy every day. I am very thankful for my family, and I love them with all my heart. Without them, my life would not be the same. So friends, what's your opinion about your family? Tell me in comment box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English stories to improve your language skills.